Glamis, and it's Camp RZR. I am stoked. We're here. It's a Dust Bowl. It's chaos, mad chaos. People trying to find camp spots at midnight. It's wild. I couldn't even find my own location that we were already camped at midnight last night. But we're here. We're glad. We're gonna go rip. Just as we were swapping a belt. The calm before the storm. It's nuts, isn't it? Are you all right? Yeah. Just got rolled up.
I dislocated my shoulder.
You did?
Yeah, it's dislocated.
What happened? Like your car hit his car?
Like, yeah, his car like on the tire and then like up over the cage.
No way. And then he rolled, dislocated his shoulder. Car's done.
We got most of the plastic kind of put back in.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good. Yeah.
Hey, there we go. Camp RZR. Jared, did last night get a little rowdy?
Yeah.
We got some rear tire paddle marks.
I had paddle tires right at my cage. Doing a little drag racing, hills a little bumped, a little wild. Guys going through the bumps, breaking axle, darts right in front of me. I'm on the skids trying to turn away. Yeah, it's a sketchy one.
Poor dude, dislocated his shoulder. Awesome guy though, nice.
Yeah.
He was still helping with the tire, putting it on with a dislocated shoulder. Give him props on that.
Broken transmission. Now I broke a tranny. I'm like, I have a weird one.
I kind of just feel like 550 and you're at that spot. Hey everybody, it is track season. Our sponsors are hooking you guys up. It's our 4-mile track, 0 entry fee to you guys. Come on out. ProEFI is hooking you guys up with an ECU. Yeah, a $3,500 ECU from ProEFI if you get first place. And Metalcraft Products is hooking you guys up with $500 cash. And on top of that, they're gonna make our sweet trophies. And then big shout out to Hostile Wheels. Those guys are hooking you guys up. For second place, if you get second, you get whatever UTV wheels on their website from them for free. American Electric gives you guys $500 cash if you get third place. So if you need any electric work done, commercial or residential in Lake Havasu, hit them up. And MTS is hooking you guys up. Whoever has the fastest time, whether you're first or fifth or 10th, whoever has the fastest time in a stock suspension car, they're gonna give you $600 off in tuning. So come hang out with the Desert Side-by-Side Club. So email us at desertsxs@gmail if you wanna come out, run what you brung. A little heads up, the guy that won it last time had a stock Turbo S 4-seat.
When you're not first, you're last.
It's all about driving. You don't have to have the fastest car. You don't have to have the best suspension car. It is gonna be rough and it is tight. I purposely leave it that way. Come on out, have a good time, ride with us. Oh yeah. Oh, throwing it down. One, two, three.
Okay, everybody clear down.
Everybody clear?
Watch out.
Full of sand. Look at. One, two, three, go, 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 Todd. All right, here we go. Go. Holy crap, a boosted Pro R is just a monster on the big end. So that was a weird way to do it. You had 10 cars on you, took off, and then you tried to go. But that heel pull, you just closed the gap in like seconds.
Yeah, I was ripping. Yeah, I felt it coming. Well, you hit through the whoops, you hit that ocean, and then you just smooth it out, and I was gone. Yeah, no catching me.
That was insane. That's Pro AFI for you. That belt is lodged in
I
there.
feel like a 12-year-old with a JC Pennant. Catalog's the way I'm sweating. Cool.
John just shows up with all sorts of goodies.
Who's that?
John showed up with goodies. Brent's got a Pro EFI turbo kit on his car, and he's gonna go rip it up and see how he likes it. So this is just a low boost, 91, 6 or 7 pounds, just for tuning, to make it easier for tuning and not being able to make the transitions when they get difficult. So we'll see if Brent likes it. All right, we got stock Pro R, stock X3, and then a 6-pound Pro EFI turbo. Oh, we had to let off early. It was a great time out here. We had fun. Camp RZR was a blast. Thanks, Polaris. Thanks for the RD. I will say, second time around with the belt, with this car. We snapped a belt yesterday and we snapped a belt today. We were kind of testing and tuning, which that's kind of what smokes belts down. It's not like this car's going through belts every day. It's not a common occurrence, but because of some stuff, we smoked down to a couple belts. We're messing with clutches, trying different clutching. I mean, we're really
with Pro 85, we're just kind of using my car as like an R&D car, trying this turbo, trying this belt, trying this clutch, all that stuff, right? Just to see what is the best for all the customers out there. I mean, Brent, what do you think of your Pro 85 turbo?
I like it. Runs well.
Pro 85 turbo.
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
Yes.
And why?
I recommend it. It's fast. Yeah, we smoked him down.
This dude pulled up, backed out, got stuck right in the middle of the sand drag. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.